Sensation is one thing, and happiness is another. Sensation is always seeking further sensation, ever in wider and wider circles. There is no end to the pleasures of sensation, they multiply, but there is always dissatisfaction in their fulfillment. There is always the desire for more, and the demand for more is without end. Sensation and dissatisfaction are inseparable, for the desire for more binds them together. Sensation is the desire for more and also the desire for less. In the very act of the fulfillment or sensation, the demand for more is born. The more is ever in the future, it is the everlasting dissatisfaction with what has been. There is conflict between what has been and what will be. Sensation is always dissatisfaction. One may clothe sensation in religious garb, but it is still what it is, a thing of the mind and a source of conflict and apprehension. Physical sensations are always crying for more, and when they are thwarted, there is anger, jealousy, hatred. There is pleasure in hatred, and envy is satisfying. When one sensation is thwarted, satisfaction is found in the very antagonism that frustration has brought.